Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel The English Castle. In today's channel, we are going to learn about parts of speech. Today's topic is verbs. तो verbs में हम ये सीखेंगे कि सबसे पहले verbs होते क्या हैं. Verbs बहुत important part है आपकी learning के. बिना verb के एक sentence आप construct ही नहीं कर सकते. तो पहले हम डिक्शनरी मीनिंग देख लेते हैं कि verbs हैं क्या. According to the Cambridge Dictionary, a verb is defined as a word or a phrase that describes an action, condition, or experience. For example, जब मैं action words के बारे में बात करती हूँ, तो जो words बहुत ज्यादा movement involve करते हैं, उनको हम action verbs कहते हैं. For example, jump, run, write, speak, cook, sleep. जो भी actions हो रहे हैं इसमें, movements हो रहे हैं, उनको हम action verbs कहते हैं. Then next is feelings or experience. Feelings like love, hate, understand, appreciate, comprehend, recognize, know. All these words are feelings or experience. These words refer to feelings or experience. Then the next is state or condition, जिसमें आपको पता चलता है कि इस समय these verbs are those that refer to a situation or a state of being. For example, am, is, are, was, were, has, have, been, being, appear, seen. Uh, all these words are referred to a condition or a state. Then we have auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. Now, helping verbs or auxiliary verbs क्या होते हैं? Is, am, are, was, were, has, have. As the word says, these are auxiliary verbs. तो ये जो verbs है, इनको हम helping verb की तरह use करते हैं. For example, I have gone to the market. So here, have is used as a helping verb and gone is the main verb. Next is, for example, he has done his homework. So here, has is a helping verb and done is a main verb. Now, next when we come to the topic is linking verbs. Now, what are linking verbs? My mother is a doctor. The children were playing. Now, linking verb helps. The word here is and the children were playing. So here were are linking verbs. It helps to connect the subject with the help of a linking word to the object or to the remaining part of the sentence. So these are called linking verbs. Then the next one is regular verbs and irregular verbs. अब regular verbs क्या होते हैं? जो verbs को हम ed लगाने पे उनका past tense बना देते हैं, उनको हम regular verbs कहते हैं. So when we are adding ed and a consonant maybe on a, so these words are called regular verbs. For example, wish, wished, uh, wish, wished, play, played, jump, jumped, cook, cooked. तो यहाँ पे हमने सिंपली ed लगा दिया इन verbs के साथ और हमने उनका past form बना दिया. So they are called regular verbs. और irregular verbs क्या है? जिन वर्ड्स का हमने पास्ट फॉर्म बनाया और उनका फॉर्म ही चेंज हो गया या एक न्यू वर्ड बना है, सो दे आर कॉल्ड इरेगुलर वर्ब्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ईट, एट, ड्रिंक, ड्रैंक, रन, रैन, कम, केम. सो इन वर्ड्स के में आप ईडी नहीं लगाते हो बट इनका फॉर्म ही चेंज हो जाता है और उसके बाद आप इनको आप irregular verbs कहते हो. Then the next one is transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. Now, what are transitive verbs? Transitive verbs requires an object to complete the sentence. For example, the Ram writes a letter. यहाँ पे अगर हम Ram writes a letter, so here Ram is your subject Writes is a verb and a letter is your object. To make a complete sense, the sentence needs a proper verb. So here, these sentences are called transitive verbs. Intransitive verbs are the dog chased the cat. I'm so sorry. The dog chased the cat is another example of transitive verbs. Now, what are intransitive verbs? Intransitive verb means intransitive verbs mean that a subject does not require an object to make a complete sense in a sentence. For example, the old man feels weak. The baby, the, the baby is sleeping. So these words are intransitive verbs. This sentence does not have an object, but still it is a complete sentence. So, dear friends, today we have learned about verbs. Be connected to the channel, and we are looking forward for your more comments, likes, and do subscribe. Your comments and your likes keep motivating me and helps me to keep on going. And I am really thankful to all my friends and all the YouTube subscribers who have subscribed this channel and pouring your love on this channel. Thank you so much. It helps me a lot. Thank you.